What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best motorcycle saddlebags. Motorcycle saddlebags are a safe and tidy way to carry your belongings when traveling by motorcycle, taking the weight off your back and getting to leave the rucksack at home. There are a lot of products available to choose to motorcycle saddlebags, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best motorcycle saddlebags product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Motorcycle Tool Bag. Some sort of bike tool is compulsory for any rider. Motorcycles may need a chain tightening here, or an oil change there while on long trips. The Moto synthetic leather bags can fit on the front, side, or back of your motorcycle, and fit all sorts of necessary bike tools. This product, in addition to being stylish and practical, is also small enough to affix onto a sissy bar, and, if you're looking for a very small bag, you could use this simply for your smaller personal accessible items when riding, not just tools. With over 1,000 5-star ratings, customers praise this small functional synthetic leather bag as a super buy. Many happy buyers enjoyed its size and the ability to store essential items and tools when needed. My father installed this on his handlebars and he loves it, one customer commented. So far, holding up very well. Universally suits all motorcycle models. Please check the size before you purchase. Package 1 motorcycle bag with 2 mounting straps. Number 2. Vechkom Vintage Saddlebags. Made from high-quality artificial leather, the Vechkom Vintage Saddlebag, though not advised to be used in heavy rain, is perfect to stow smaller items away, either as your solo pouch on a smaller trip or as your personal bag on a longer one. Depending on your bike's model, it can be hung on either side, and is advised to keep away from hot objects to keep it in pristine condition. Multiple customers wrote how this product is durable and keeps its shape. One customer was impressed with how much you can actually fit in them. They fit perfectly on my Honda Rebel 250 𝐍𝐸. I secured them with zip ties instead of the string that comes with them. Another customer who also owns a Rebel felt that these bags added to their riding style and wrote, "It's a joy to ride around town and pick stuff up." Motorcycle saddlebags made with a high-quality PU material, a clean finish and feel comfortable. Number 3. Wild Heart Motorcycle Saddlebag. Another set of large saddlebags, this time from Wild Heart, are these 50L capacity, easily adjustable side bags. They not only fit as saddlebags, but they also convert into tank bags. What's more, the maximum distance and length can be adjusted from 42 cm to 80 cm. For dual sport motorcycle gear, Wild Heart has produced these huge bags with premium quality, ready to take on the off-road terrain or simpler weekend camping trips. Put your rain gear on while riding and keep all your items snug and dry in the massive capacity side cases, which are perfect for all adventures. For longer journeys, one customer wrote, "I rode from La to Houston and back again, and these held up for 3,800 miles. The bags were pretty trashed, but a quick wipe, and they looked like they did before the trip. Buckles and straps are well thought out, and placement is perfect." The actual single side capacity is 25 to 28 liters, which is suitable for models with sufficient rear seat size, including those with D or side frame. Please consider it according to your own actual vehicle model and the detailed pictures to avoid unnecessary return. Number 4. ROCKBROS Motorcycle Saddlebag. Some motorcycles trips are off-road or just tend to get a bit mucky, which is why a bag that can be thrown around and is highly durable and waterproof is a must. The last thing anyone needs when off-roading or camping is wet or muddy gear. This ROCKBROS luggage set fits on all different bikes, and although it is extremely durable, is a set of soft saddlebags. With hard-wearing, waterproof liners, you can take these bags touring without a second thought. These bags are large, waterproof, and made of good material, one satisfied shopper exclaimed. They help a ton with storage, they seem to have a universal fit and stay in place when you're riding. As with all saddlebags, it's very important to share the weight evenly between the sides, especially when it comes to larger luggage like these, that could potentially end up touching the exhaust if the weight is unevenly distributed. Soft motorcycle saddlebag is made of military-grade PVC tarp material, which is 100% waterproof, also the most durable material for motorcycling. Rolling up design provide a waterproof guarantee, at the same time support quick open and close. Number 5. Kemimoto Motorcycle Saddlebags. Understandably, a lot of saddlebags for bikes come with a warning, keep off tires and exhausts. Kemimoto's waterproof saddlebags are best secured to the subframe of your bike or with mounting brackets, connected with 2 straps, hooks and loops. These bags have a slightly smaller capacity than the ROCKBROS above, yet they still have ample space for many items. Again, don't forget to keep both sides equally weighted, so the bags don't melt on hot exhausts. After one customer reviewed the Kemimoto set, they discovered that they're definitely 100% waterproof, and wrote, "First day of my trip I got slammed with a horrible storm, and all my gear in the bags were completely dry." The elated customer added, "The bags are easy to install and easy to get in and out. This motorcycle saddlebag is suitable for most motorcycle, such as adventure, touring, sportster, Sofidel, V-Star, Shadow, Bullen, Act. The cruiser needs back seat to fix the bags. Some motorcycle type seats with small thickness need side frame to fit." Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.